Hello, my name is John Bagwell, and in this training lesson we'll discuss the feasibility of making $100 to $150 a day with a zero ad budget and no website asset. The biggest problem with this concept is a zero ad budget. In reality, let's say you worked really hard for 4 to 6 months building links and guest posts, creating videos and creating social media content. Maybe you could earn $100 a month or $100 a week at best. However, if you spent months, maybe even years building a tribe of followers, yes, I could see you making $100 to $150 or more per day with a zero ad budget. But for most entrepreneurs, they want fast results, and this is not possible with a zero ad budget unless you have a huge tribe of followers. When I see people make videos showing proof of making $100 to $150 a day on a zero ad budget, they spent years building a tribe of followers. The zero ad budget strategy is a long-term solution. There is no quick or fast solution to making $100 to $150 a day on a zero ad budget. Now let's talk about making money without a website. Could you use just an affiliate link to make money online? Sure, many people do, but all the people making any serious money in the affiliate marketing game are collecting emails by building squeeze pages or sales funnels or blogs before sending the web surfer to the affiliate website URL. The key to making money online is sending marketing messages over and over to the potential prospect, because it takes 7 to 11 contacts before a prospect makes a purchase. So why would you send a prospect to an affiliate website without collecting the email? It makes no sense. You need to drip the prospect over and over until they buy. So the concept about having no website and relying 100% on an affiliate vendor's URL is just fantasy unless you have built up a huge following over a long period of time. The bottom line is all these videos that proclaim fast results of implying that they can make $100 to $150 a day with a zero ad budget, no website, and zero followers is just BS. What gives me the credibility that I can talk about this? I have over 21 years of online marketing experience. I understand not only what works, but more important, I understand what does not work and why. I hope you enjoyed this training lesson. Be sure to click on my free training link in the description below, and I'll see you in the next training lesson. Thank you.